everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone apps stuck on downloading. Have you ever faced a situation wherein your apps tend to get stuck in the download mode? This is a very troubling situation and you might be itching to know as to how you can fix it. Sometimes the apps have almost downloaded but then you get an error in the end. This situation can be extremely irritating. In this video we will be showing you the multiple solutions which should help you in fixing this baffling issue. By the end of this video your apps should resume downloading smoothly. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check your working data connection. When you're downloading the apps, it is important to ensure that you have a working internet connection. So you can load your web browser and see if the web page is open. This is the right test to see if the data is connected. If not, then you need to turn the mobile data on. Try and resume the app download after that and you are done. And the next step is delete the app and reinstall it. iOS allows you to delete apps even when it is being installed. You need to hold down the app icon and the apps will begin to wiggle. All you have to do is tap on the minus icon which will be found on the upper left corner. Then tap on delete app and next tap on delete app again to confirm. And now download it from the app store all over again and you are done. And the next step is check your iPhone storage. Apps may stop downloading owing to space constraints as well. So you should keep an eye on the available space on your iPhone. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then go to general and then tap on iPhone storage. Then look for the app you want to delete. Then tap on it and then tap on delete app and you are done. And the next step is check Wi-Fi connection. You also need to check the Wi-Fi connections as well. Your data network is not stable. You have to download the apps all over your Wi-Fi connection. So you can either restart your network or even connect it to another Wi-Fi network if available. And try re-downloading the app. For this, go to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and see if there is any other network available. Tap on it to connect it and you are done. And the next step is sign out of App Store. When nothing else seems to work, you can try signing out of the App Store and see if it fixes the issue. This also stops all current downloads and then you can resume the download again. For this, go to App Store and then tap on your profile icon at the upper right corner. Next, scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see the option of sign out. Tap on it and sign out of your Apple ID and then signing again. And you are done. And the next step is close background apps. While there is no official proof, it has often been seen that sometimes closing the background apps can lead to solving the problem. So you should swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then flick away the apps to remove them. Now the iPhone should have enough free space and app may resume downloading and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of iPhone apps stuck on downloading. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.